So I will show you how to find the corresponding values of the function f of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 6 given the values of x will be negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then second, you will sketch the graph. For the solution, we'll start with the x which is equal to negative 4. So substitute all the x. So negative 4 is equal to negative 4 squared plus negative 4 minus 6. This will be equal to negative 4 times negative 4, that will be positive 16. Positive times negative, that will be negative 4 minus 6. And then combine like terms, this will be 16. Negative 4 plus negative 6, that will be negative 10. So f of negative 4 will become 6. So this will be the answer. Next, the value of when x is equal to negative 3. So f of negative 3 will be equal to negative 3 squared plus negative 3 minus 6. This will be equal to 3 times 3, that will be 9. Positive times negative, this will be negative 3, then negative 6. So this will be equal to 9 minus 9. F of negative 3 will be equal to 0. The next is when x is equal to negative 2, f of negative 2 will be equal to negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 6. So this will be equal to negative 2 times negative 2, that will be positive 4. Positive times negative 2, that will be negative 2 minus 6. This will be equal to 4. Then negative 2 plus negative 6, this will be negative 8. So f of negative 2 will become negative 4. Okay, next will be x, which will be equal to negative 1. So f of negative 1 will be equal to negative 1 squared plus negative 1 minus 6. So this will be 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive 1. So positive times negative 1, that will be negative 1 minus 6. So combine like terms, 1. This will be negative 7. So negative 1 plus negative 6, that will be negative 7. And f of negative 1 will be equal to negative 6. Okay. Done with negative 6. Negative 1. Then when x is equal to 0, so f of 0 will be equal to 0 squared plus 0 minus 6. So f of 0, that was 0 times 0 is 0 plus 0, then the answer will be negative 6. Okay. Next will be positive 1. So f of 1 will be equal to 1 squared plus 1 minus 6. So 1 times 1, that will be 1 plus 1 minus 6. So 1 plus 1, that will be 2 minus 6. So our f of 1 will become negative 4. Okay. Next will be when x is equal to positive 2, f of positive 2 will become 2 squared plus 2 minus 6. So this will become 2 times 2, that will be 4, plus 2 minus 6. Then we have 4 plus 2, that will be 6 minus 6. So f of 2 will become 0. Then when x is equal to 3, so f of 3 is equal to 3 squared plus 3 minus 6. So this will become 3 times 3, that will be 9, plus 3 minus 6. So we have 12 minus 6. So f of 3 will become positive 6. So we're done with getting the values of x. So negative 4 will be equal to f of x, which is equal to 6. Then negative 3, 0, negative 2, negative 4, negative 1, negative 6, 0, negative 6, 1, negative 4, 2, 0, 3, positive 6. So ato siyang i-sketch. So we have the value of x will be negative 4, here negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then for the value of y's will be, so we have positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Here we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. So this will be our x, this will be our y. So negative 4, padulong dito kang 6, then negative 3 is 0, negative 2, negative 4, next is negative 1, negative 6, negative 6, then 0, negative 6, 1, negative 4, 2, 0, and then 3, 6. So this will be negative 4, 6, negative 3, 0, negative 2, negative 4, negative 1, negative 6, 0, negative 6, 1, negative 4, okay, 2, 0, and then 3, 6. So, atong i-connect. So, mag-start na dira. Okay. So, this is the graph of f of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. Okay.